Well, the other headlines tonight, Apple's iPhone 11 will now be made in India. The telecom minister tweeted with some other phones which are also being made in India of Apple, saying that this is a humble beginning. Also, a new report says that Chinese smartphones' share of the market in India has dipped sharply.
Your brand new iPhone 11 could well be made in India. Apple is now manufacturing the latest in its iPhone series in Chennai. This is the first product of the company being made in collaboration with Foxconn. But Apple wants to gradually ramp up its production capacity in the country. It is considering building the affordable iPhone SE in partnership with Wistron in India as well. They could even make India a massive manufacturing hub and export to other markets from here.
Most of this production will be for export. The Indian market compared to the world market is about 5–5.5%. Apple, Samsung, Oppo, Vivo, Xiaomi, etc. These companies will be exporting in a very large volume. About 10 million jobs in this entire ecosystem will get created.
The move comes at a time when many global companies are trying to reduce dependence on China for manufacturing the phones. The iPhone 11 is one of the best-selling smartphones for Apple, and the move signals a renewed confidence in India's manufacturing capabilities and demand in the market. In fact, according to Counterpoint Research, demand for Chinese smartphones slumped from 81% to 72% in India in June quarter. While a lot of this was due to the lockdown, the growing anti-China sentiment also played a role.
Overall, Apple needs to compete with these Android players like OnePlus or the older flagships of Samsung or the new ones, in fact all the Oppo, Vivo and Xiaomi.
So you may think Apple is manufacturing in India, great for Make in India, good for employment, but really, how will it benefit the consumer? Well, though the company has not announced any change in price, but manufacturing in India saves the company 22% in import duties. And should Apple choose to pass this on to the customers, it could become a very good option and a very aggressively priced option, giving tough competition to Android-based smartphones. With camera person Shashikant, Rubina Mungia for NDTV.